Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We were doing reported speech last time, if you remember.
Yes,
I don't
ma'am.
know. Rakshita was there and Akshit was also there. Yes, no doubt.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. This one we had done. Can you help me? This
Yes,
passage.
ma'am. We have done this.
Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Did we do this?
Yes, ma'am.
I think we
Yes,
did
ma'am.
up to the next one. Till here we did, if I'm not wrong. Pineapple cake, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This was done. Ordering a
Yes, ma'am.
birthday cake.
Ma'am, it was
Yes.
done.
Yes, this is what I
Ma'am,
remember. This is what we are
uh,
going to do today.
No, ma'am.
Okay,
We have done
it
this
is
also.
also done. Ma'am,
you've done
fourth
this
till
also,
fourth.
but you people are doing a bit of mistakes. Anyways, this agent one, agent two was done.
Yes, ma'am.
This was
Yes,
done.
ma'am.
Okay, I'll take up one
Yes,
more,
ma'am.
the last one with you people. And then what I'll do is I'll have a quick revision of what we had done. That day, some mistakes were there. So let me do this. Mm, yes, this one you have to do today. Abhinav, where are you going tomorrow? Interrogative sentence. Bindu says we are going to the Ooty Flash Show tomorrow. Would you like to come along? Again, an interrogative sentence. Abhinav, I would love to, but I have an exam tomorrow afternoon. Bindu says, never mind, you can join us next time. All the best for your exams. Beta start. Then raise your hands. You need not hurry. Just make sure that you do it correctly. Be very careful about interrogative sentences. Once you finish, raise your hands. Have you finished, beta?
I'm only stuck in third one.
Try doing right or wrong doesn't make a difference. Try. कोई गड़बड़ नहीं. I'll help you once you speak. Even if it is wrong, it's absolutely okay.
Ma'am, may I ask something?
Sure, dear.
Ma'am, we'll convert you also.
Yes, beta. We never use I, we, and you in reported speech. Remember
Okay,
this.
ma'am.
First person बोलते हैं I and we को. Okay? Second
Yes,
person is you in English grammar, and all the others are third person. So reported speech, there is a rule we never use first and second person. Matlab, we will never use a sentence in I, me, we, you. Never. So change
Yes, ma'am.
all this. His, her, they, them. Try. Never mind. I'll help you.
Ma'am, done.
Lakshita, should we wait for you for a minute?
No, ma'am.
You are also done?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, slowly we'll start discussing the answers. There is no problem. Any one of you speak the first sentence, we'll go slowly. Start.
Ma'am, I am speaking.
Ha, beta, start. Anybody can start. Start.
Abhinav asked Bindu where they are going tomorrow.
There's one very small mistake. Speak again.
Next day.
Ek to next day. Tomorrow becomes what? It becomes next day.
Next
Next
day.
day.
Speak the sentence once again.
Where they are going next day.
Where they were going. Past tense. Present changes to past.
Past.
Where they were going the next day. Very good. Yes, Lakshita, you try the next part
Yes,
from
ma'am.
here.
She
Tomorrow.
told him that they were going to the Ooty flower show next day. Would you like to come along?
Slowly. See till here she's done absolutely correct. Okay. The next day till here it is absolutely correct. Now speak the next of the part.
Would you like to come along?
Not you.
She inquired, would you like, no. Would he like to come along?
Excellent. She inquired, would he like to come along? Too good. Yes, Bitakshat. Next sentence.
Ma'am, Abhinav replied that he would love to, but he have exam next day afternoon. And Bindu said that never mind, he could join them next time and wish him best of luck for his next exam.
Akshat, speak this sentence again. I would love to, but I have. Speak this sentence again.
Abhinav replied that he would love to, but he have exam next day afternoon.
There is one small mistake in this. Tell me what it is. You have not changed the tense. Have should change to
Has.
He would
had. Have will
had
change to
had,
had.
had,
ठीक है? Present tense changes to past tense. So have will become had. Repeat the
had.
sentence now. Repeat it.
He would love to, but he had exam next day afternoon.
Very good. I hope you'll remember now. Present changes to
Yes,
past.
ma'am.
Lakshita. Next, your turn, Lakshita.
Yes, ma'am. Bindu said that never mind, he could join us the next time and wished him best of luck for his exam.
Akshay, tell me one mistake she's doing. Tell me what is it.
Ma'am, join them.
Very good. It should not be us. It should be them. I,
Okay, ma'am.
me, he, us, hum or hamara. This is first person. And you and yours is second person. So never to use first and second person. Lakshita, speak the sentence again, beta, with the correction.
Yes, ma'am. Bindu said that never mind, he could join them the next time and wished him best of luck for his exam.
Perfect if you see. Can has become could. Otherwise, rest of the changes she has done wonderfully. A lot of changes you have understood now. Okay, let's see if we can do one more. Though we have already done this, but yesterday you people were not very confident. Today I feel you all are much better. Let me do this with you. This agent 1, agent 2. This one we'll do again. I'll give you 2 minutes. Take your time. Yes, agent 1, agent 2. Yesterday we had done this, if you remember. Did we do this? Agent 1, agent 2.
Yes, ma'am.
We did, no? But today you people are doing better. So let's do this. Agent 1, agent 2. I'll give you 2 minutes. Revise this. Then I'll start discussing. Now you know first person, second person changes. Wherever there is I, it has to go. Wherever there is you, it has to be changed. Now do this. I'll discuss later. Take 1 more minute, then we'll start discussing. There should be no I, no you. Ready, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's start. Should we start?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
Akshat, your turn now. Start. And Lakshita, you have to listen carefully and tell me if he's wrong somewhere. Start, Akshat.
Okay.
Agent 1 instructed Agent 2 come to the cafe by the station at 4 o'clock.
Everything is correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now your turn, and Akshat, you will check.
He added that he would be sitting by the window and he would be wearing a bright green sweater.
Akshat, any mistakes?
No,
Very good. Now you people have become very good. Akshat, your turn. Speak better.
agent Agent 2 asked him, shall we bought the document?
I'm wrong.
Yes, beta. What is wrong? Correct it.
Yes, ma'am. Shall will become should and I will become he. So agent 2 asked him, okay,
I
should
should,
he bring the documents?
Very good. I तो होना ही नहीं है. There should be no I's, no
ma'am, I
U's.
have
Okay,
written he. Ma'am, I
okay,
only
beta.
stand.
Never mind, never mind. Speak it out. Speak again the sentence slowly.
Agent 2 asked him, should he bring the document?
Next, beta, your turn, Rakshita.
Agent 1 replied in affirmation and told him that yes, he would explain everything when he sees him. He also requested agent 2 to not to be late.
Akshat, last line.
Agent 1 assured him that he will reach on time. He would
One
reach
small
on time.
mistake. Very good. He would reach on time. Good. Let's do this one now. This Finland one. Again, 1 minute. This time you people did wonderfully. Very good. Last 1 minute. Then we'll discuss. Can we start? If you all are ready or you want more time?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Okay, sure, take your time. Are we done now or should I wait a little more?
Ma'am, E question is not visible.
See now. The E part.
Yes, ma'am.
It is only that she also told her that. That's it. She also told her that. So it will start from here. That is the E part. She also told her, let me do it
Okay,
clear
ma'am.
for you. Wait, let me do it. Hmm. Now it's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. CN completed. Once you finish, let me know.
Ma'am, done.
Okay. Can we start now? Start,
Yes.
Lakshita. You start.
Yamini told, ma'am, I'm not sure about this sentence.
Never mind, beta. Never mind. Please start.
Yamini told Smita that she heard that they she was relocating soon. She heard that she was relocating soon.
She was heard that she
She
was
heard
relocating.
that she was relocating soon.
Ha, beta. Here actually it is plural. If you read the second sentence, she's saying
Yes,
we
ma'am.
are going to. So here you
Yes,
actually means plural. So it should be they were relocating soon.
Relocating soon.
It's not your mistake in English. You is used for both singular and plural. Where are you all
Yes, ma'am.
going? We generally say this. So not your mistake. Otherwise, it's absolutely correct. Akshat, Second sentence, beta.
Uh, Samita agreed and told her that they were moving to Finland.
They were moving to Finland. Very good.
Finland.
Excellent. Lakshita, next sentence, first part.
Yamini exclaimed that it was great and wished her all the best for her life. She added that they would miss her. They would miss her. Please keep in touch.
Excellent. They would miss her. Isn't it? Will has changed to would. They would miss her. Next one,
They would.
Akshit, next sentence.
Samita thanked her and told her that she would miss them too.
Excellent. Now you people have become perfect in changing. Very good. Next sentence, Lakshita. Next part of the same sentence, and then last he will do. Speak.
She also told her that she would send her a postcard from there to be added to her collection, and they would be in touch via email.
See, there were so many changes in this sentence, and she did it wonderfully. Akshat, I
Yes,
want
ma'am.
you also to do this sentence again. बहुत ही अच्छे, very good. Do it, Akshat.
She also told her that she will send her a
बेटा बेटा
postcard.
बेटा अक्षत स्लोली स्लोली
Yes.
आपको पता रहता है बट आप हरी करते हो ना विल वाला चेंजेस
Yes.
एंड ऑल हाँ स्टार्ट अगेन
She told her that she would send her a postcard. Ma'am, next it is not visible in the screen. Ma'am, ma'am, next word is not visible.
ओके स्पीक नाउ
Ma'am, it is zoomed. Ma'am, please zoom out.
सी नाउ इज इट क्लियर
No, ma'am.
नो
Yes,
नेवर
ma'am. Now it
माइंड
is clear. Now it is
ओके स्पीक
clear. She also told her that she would send her a postcard that she. Ma'am, now that side is not visible.
ओके नेवर माइंड वेट इट्स फाइन लेट्स डू दिस वन नाउ see this one. Dave, we are going to Mahabaleshwar tomorrow. Wow, Mahabaleshwar is a wonderful place. I went there last year. Dave says, would you like to join us? Raj, sure, if everyone agrees. Then Dave says, I will check with them and call you tomorrow. Raj, thank you. I will look forward to your call. So we need to do this now, children. Can you see it clearly on your screen or you want me to adjust it a
Yes,
little
ma'am.
bit?
Ma'am,
Now it's clear?
it is clear. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay,
Yes,
beta.
ma'am.
Start. This is one more left. This is the last one probably which you have to do again. Wonderfully. See how many mistakes you were doing yesterday and today you are not doing. Very good. Should we start, beta?
Yes,
Ma'am, 1
ma'am.
minute. Last is left.
Okay. Take your time.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, Lakshita, you finish first. You give us the first sentence.
Yes, ma'am. They've told Raj they are going to Mahabaleshwar next day.
Akshay, do you agree? Or any changes have to be done?
Ma'am, that they were going to Mahabaleshwar next day.
Let me see what she said. Beta, Lakshita, just repeat once.
Yes, ma'am. They've told Raj they are going to Mahabaleshwar next day.
Huh. There is one mistake which Akshat is pointing out. Very good, Akshat. Bolo, what it should be?
Ma'am, that and are became were.
Yes, the present tense changes to past tense. So they were going to Mahabaleshwar. Yes, second sentence from you, Akshat, and Akshita, keep listening. Start.
Raj exclaimed and uh, told Mahabaleshwar is wonderful place. He went there previous year.
Very good. Too good. Lakshita, next.
They've asked him if he would like to join them.
Akshat, you think everything is correct or something needs to
Yes,
be
ma'am.
changed?
Ma'am, everything.
Absolutely correct. Now
Yes,
he
ma'am.
will speak and Lakshita, you check.
Dave told him that he will check with them and call him next day.
One mistake he has done, Akshita, point
Yes,
out.
ma'am. Will become would.
Yes.
Yes.
Will become would. Repeat the sentence, Akshat.
Dave asked him that he would check with them and call him next day.
Yes. Just be careful about this. Will changes to would. Yes, the next one from you, beta.
Raj thanked him and said he would look forward to his call.
Do you agree or some other thing has to be done?
Ma'am, I have written that he
Hmm.
would be looking forward for his call.
That is also correct. Mainly you have to change will to would. So that is
Yes,
also
ma'am.
correct. Can we discuss
Yes,
the
ma'am.
major changes that we did in the passages today? There was one more which was a little typical one. Yes, this one. The last one for today. When the class is about to get over. Is it there on your screen clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help
Yes,
me? Let's
ma'am.
do this quickly. This is the last one for today, beta. Now I'm absolutely satisfied that you people can do reported speech. Yes, beta. Can we start?
Ma'am, done.
Speak.
Ankita asked Swati if she could help her.
Do you agree, Lakshita?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. You give the second sentence now.
Swati agreed and asked, sure, what it is.
What it is? You've not changed the tense?
Was.
Yes. What was it? You have to change the tense, beta. That is the only thing. Yes, next.
Ankita
Continue.
told Ankita told her that she needs someone to take care for her baby for 2 hours.
Something wrong here? Tell Lakshita what is going wrong.
I think
It
he's
should
right.
be needed. No, beta, past tense. It should be needed somebody. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Need will
Yes,
change
ma'am.
to
Needed.
needed. Ha, beta. We always go for past tense. It is needed. Okay, next sentence.
Swati replied, "No problem. She could do that."
Perfect. Next.
Ankita thanked her and asked, "Can you take care? Nick, could you take care for her cat as well?"
Very good. Can
Ma'am,
is changed to could. Next.
I'm sorry. He did not change you. You will become she.
Yes,
Could you?
yes. Repeat the
Could she?
sentence.
Yes, ma'am. Ankita thanked her and asked, could she take care of her cat as well?
Any mistakes found?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay, continue. What is your answer? Rakshita concluded.
Yes, ma'am. To this, Swati refused and said that she did not like cats. Ankita then told her, "No problem. She take care." Hmm? She take care of the baby.
Yes. Beta, do from here again. No problem. After this, do again.
Ma'am, if we will use she instead of you, then the sentence will go wrong.
No, it's okay. You start. Let me see where you are having a confusion. You speak, I'll check.
Ankita then told her, "No problem. She take care of the baby. You would find someone else for the cat."
You would or she would?
She would find someone